Picture taking the unstoppable spirit of the legendary 1958 Mack B61 and transforming it into something extraordinary, a rugged custom pickup that carries the same hard-working DNA that made these trucks famous. This isn't just a 3D model. It's a reimagined classic that blends Mack's raw power with the bold styling of a heavy-duty pickup. With 232,361 meticulously crafted polygons, we've created a wheel beast that keeps the original B61 soul, its single-drive axle and that wide, muscular stance, but redesigned with sweeping lines that transform it into the ultimate vintage pickup. Every curve, every steel panel, every chassis detail has been modeled for enthusiasts who appreciate classics with a custom twist. What makes this model special goes beyond its looks. In Blender, you'll find everything organized for limitless creativity. Doors that swing open smoothly, wheels perfectly rigged for animation with centered pivots, and steering that responds like the real thing. This is a model born to be used, whether in GTA 5, American Truck Simulator, or your cinematic renders. But this is just the beginning. We want you to be part of this evolution of classics. What other vehicles would you like to see transformed with this custom approach? A school bus turned into a motorhome? Maybe a retro-futuristic fire truck? Your ideas could become our next creation. If this kind of project inspires you, remember to like and subscribe. Every click helps us continue rescuing these mechanical gems and reimagining them for the digital age. Now tell us, how would you use this Mack B61 custom pickup? Would you take it down dusty simulator trails? Or make it the star of your next automotive short film? The possibilities are as wide as this pickup's bed. Because in the end, that's the beauty of these classics. They're not just machines. They're moving canvases waiting for your creativity. And with this custom Mack B61, the canvas is ready.